Alright, so we got that. This is not working for some reason. We don't have any extra coherent or PA processes, do we? Don't see any. I should actually check if I've got any server mods on. That might just be a generic step that's taking a moment, though. No, I think that's supposed to go faster. Meanwhile, where are you currently? Okay, you are currently here. Okay, and yeah, even doing it that way, everything's still here. Also, my icon shader is not broken. It just wouldn't support the new icon limits if we actually tried to add any of the new things. Save close. Huh. Although, I do seem to have broken lighting somewhere. Is that because of the icons? I'm not sure what this does with no limit. Let's put it back down to good old reasonable number. That did not immediately fix it. How about restarting? Oh yeah, and I want to double check. Did I leave something on? I did not. Okay. Yeah, maybe if they're published in some place useful. So we are calculating that here. Yeah, so this is something we can calculate a reasonable max on. Okay, so pushing the icon limit on my system will break lighting. But short of publishing icon test for a bunch of people to try out, I don't really know how to determine if there is now a reasonable limit. Or do we just remove all aliasing stuff and hope nobody ever gets to 10,000 icons? Now I'd actually have to figure out. Well, that's probably. Yeah, this is. Yeah, probably that would end up looking more like just run through and add them. We'll just have to get back into the headspace of added units, map unit, SI name. So that returns either objects or SI names. And then request icons does fancy stuff. That's just going to iterate. Doing those. Although, fallback would be a non-issue in that case. So it would just come down to SI name. Yeah, I mean, I guess if I take it out, I can always put it back. So it wouldn't have any of that. It wouldn't have slot usage. We wouldn't really have a pool. All right, so this is actually still server mod version. It's going to be easier to work on if we get it into client. Hodgepodge. So get you. Oh, this is a copy. Do I not have a repo here? No, that was like test stuff. We got it out of here. No, it's empty. Yeah. Okay. Apparently that was a copy from sometime. So we've actually got to get a proper copy of it. And apparently I haven't logged into GitHub recently here. Logo behind me. It's not a logo, it's just a tapestry that I have. This might yell at me for mute, but that's a mostly full picture of it that I took at one point. GitHub. Yep. Actually, did that one get forked over to PA mods? Apparently not. Okay. Yep. That was not what I wanted. Thank you, GitHub. Hmm. So, what I should probably do. Let's do a new clone of this. And then compare them, because I don't want to figure out the flags right now. Okay, so we take that. Did you... No, we were in the directory. We take all this and... Okay, it is different. Untracked files icon atlas? Did I already remove this? Wait. Well, okay, it apparently got renamed. But that was a newer version, in theory. Branches. Oh. It was pushed as a version, but not as master? Available. Oh, well, we've got this in the files now. No, that should be available mods. Oh, so that might actually be the same as this. The version number would certainly be the same. There's never updated master for some reason. Yeah, 2.1.0. Huh. I want to double check my laptop real quick. Or not. I did a restart earlier. It doesn't seem to be responding now. Alright, well, it's starting now. So probably... Yeah, SI fallback, SI fallback. Wait. Added. I might actually be able to map function unit. So that would be somewhere. Yeah, so this might actually be essentially a revert on this. Yeah, enforces icon limit. SI fallback. That would remove support for that, but okay. So that's definitely a way to streamline that change. No. Are you perhaps in... No. Ah. Alright, so we have to figure out... Ah, okay. End the search, please. Oh. Okay, yeah, I never merged master here. So it was a branch and we never got updated. So we want to get checkout v2.1.0. Oh. Wait, untracked. Oh. There's probably a thing to force that, but... Oh, actually... It won't quite work. Now you see, on the Mac, I can just drag these. So to change... Well, it's just a copy. So, no, that merges that into this. This is uncommitted. We need to check out master. I guess that's merge. Is it a 5? There we go. Okay, it's highlighting the message. So, what I want to do is to apply the reverse of... I mean, selectively apply the reverse of this. And specifically to that file. Because the rest, we can keep the notes. We have to change that. We'll have to update this. So that's something I don't necessarily know how to do. Get reverse diff of single file. Writing a single file. Actually, oh, that's check out commit path to file. Okay. And this is... Actually, we just had it complaining there. Yeah, check out... hopefully... So actually, we just want to do here. Because this is where it was renamed, but had the old contents. And there it is, okay. A8722 UI mods Hudge Podge Icon Atlas. Untracked. Oh, I must have copied this from my laptop? Huh. Where else was it? UI. Okay. Yeah. Is it staged? Probably should have removed the log statement anyway. Use strict wouldn't necessarily be a bad thing to have. This is, I think we're done with you. Like I said, close that was working with stuff. Okay, so we get that. We add them. Oh, this was applying the limit, though. Which I think we just don't do. I mean, in theory, we could try to protect the game against crashing, but I don't know what the practical limit is. The set timeout might be less necessary now. I don't know if that's something that really needs to be messed with. Alright, so I entered something that was way up here. So in theory, we're going to have mod info. I want to temporarily make this client for ease of work. What is it, like 19? Yeah. I don't really want to mess with fixing things properly right now, so we're just going to call this client. So adding that back was only a 0.1 before. Uh, 2.2.0. Remove icon limit and aliasing. The game crashes before any discoverable limit. This means SI fallback is no longer implemented. And this is specifically, and that might have been a particular. I'll have to update that as well. 1120 something 76. Oh, actually it's there. 1121. Wow. Mod info. It actually wasn't there. Did he add? Yes. He did. So does that mean that is not a current category? So once upon a time, we were requested to use Titans for things that support Titans. This is deeply related to things that you do. I guess if you're interested in units, you want to find that. That does not even list. Okay. Oh, nope, he is using that for support, I guess. I mean, in theory, this supports both, but I'm not sure about. Titans only, classic only. No context given. All right, so we've got this. Oh. Yeah. And that's why I'm tempted to fix this properly. Because since this is a different mod now, I have to make a variant of the server mod as well to test it. Windows, what the heck are you doing? So what do we have in server mods? That's not one of them. We've got... that's not a repo, but we can use it. Oh, this might actually be a production of the... of the server mod dev. I don't think booms were changed offhand. Hackety hack hack, hackety hack hack hack. Dependencies. All right, do we still have icon test? Installed. .local. Okay, and this is the one that's active. There is no active hodgepodge server mods. Oh, I know what I forgot. That's Baboom. That would probably be the README. Yes, that is out again. The description of that. All right, pick somebody. That would have requested advanced bots. Okay, it's got an icon. That's the only thing that we've really changed. But just to run a quick check, we need fabrication. Okay. Seems to be running okay there. Okay, we're doing this stuff. So now we need to take... so that was my original local copy. So we need to take that. Let's unselect it first. And that should have, yes, that it was a framework, so it auto deselected it. Oh, I also got it open here. Now I should have to publish that later because my publishing pipeline is on my laptop currently. So take this back to there, I guess. Oh, do you? There's Baboom. There's icon test. Is it this? Oh, I'm in the directory here. Does it still have that? Or do I have to go get it again? I guess I have to go get it again. What's left? We're done with you. Oh, maybe I closed the PA difference file, which I'm going to need again soon, but okay. CD server mods hodgepodge. Am I not where I think I am? No, because it was we don't actually need the game to run it. We just need to have it in our big old collection of mods. Okay, that's the code. We made more changes to it. These should be, yeah, no new files. Remove advanced icon management for remove advanced icon management. And then my build pipeline on the laptop will tag it. Nope. That's right, we just cloned this today. Okay. Now, the other change was... we're done with that one. All the icon shaders that I know we definitely have, and we still have to look at potential others. And I didn't even track stable on this one. See, that was just the PTE publish change. Particle icon, I think. So I don't know if I have all of my icon mods here. I probably should do some cleanup though. Because we had published server mods. And it's still currently local, that's fine. So these would all be client mods. Probably not. Probably need to clean this up a bit as well, but. Or actually, this would be a good time to take a break. I'll be back in a few minutes. All right, well, the storm is not. It's around somewhere. Are you?
I might be really good at Dark Souls by the end of this, because I'm getting really used to dodging.
That's the end for him!
You don't get surrounded.
Come and get... Run him through! Right down!
Here we go. Long road ahead. Final customer. Let's
Let's show them our dedication to service.
Meters filled to burst.
Yeah.
It's always
Oh, gotcha. Right. Fahrenheit. I live in a country that uses ye old Celsius. So I was like, what? But that totally makes sense. 100%. Okay, let's get liquefiable stuff. This is ice and snow. Copy your settings over. Like that.
All right, welcome back. All right, do we have any local versions of these that might actually be repositories? No, might Okay, there's two color icons. It is not currently a repository. And I think I wouldn't have necessarily gotten two color icons brighter on this one, because this doesn't have the messed up gamma. So this is another case where I might actually just want to clone it and then double check I hadn't done anything. Yeah. There's two of those. Okay, only one branch on this one. Oh, we're going to be working on this for a little bit, so... actually, we've got you. Oops, didn't copy. Now, once again... Oh, actually, I need to check. Did I get everything switched back? And this is why I hate having to hack this stuff. It's just so error prone. Yep. Server mods, real CD hodgepodge. I still got this here, right? That should have been the only hack we had to do. All right. Two color icons. Now we have to do that same ugly hack here. And hope we don't mess it up again. Two color icons. This is get repo. Doesn't have a readme. I guess icons don't need a readme. So for testing purposes, we need to do that because there's some bug in community mods with local versus online. Then we make sure that loads. Installed. Alright, so that's the regular one, so we'll remove that for now, try and avoid confusion. Make sure that everything's working okay. And no, I think shaders in the core game directories can live update. I'm not sure about how that works with mods. I used to do most of my development on OS X, and that definitely did not. Okay, we still have colored icons. So, the change we've got, and I want to check which shader. So it is just particle icon. So in the original particle icon, we had this change. So text coord. Yeah, was I in the wrong file? Or did I rewrite around a part of the original code? Particle icon, vtext coord. Oh, wait, is this, oh, maybe I don't have to edit this one. Because that's the vertex shader. Oh, okay, yeah, I don't have to touch this. And that means brighter should be in the same state. Okay, yeah, I didn't do anything with, like, icon size. I don't think I did any other shader things. Okay, well. Undo that. Mod info. Undo that. Quit this. Oh, that might have actually... I may have done that too quick. Alright, so do that. Get you... over to there. And then I still generally run with that. Okay, so that should take care of the icon stuff. So now the question is more about... I think that only leaves unit changes. As the obvious things. So that's AI. I don't think I do have anything published with AI. Now this might be something I need to do on the laptop, but I may have touched several of them here. So this is going to be more if we have... oh, no, I don't, well, Titan Factory probably isn't, Titan Gantry probably isn't used enough to care. That's a sort of a meta mod. That's a name, that's a big boom. Bot Factory, Bot Sniper, Tactical Missile. Oh. Looks like it got into that window somehow. Okay. Oh, that one might need to be updated for possible Puppet Master. No. Junkyard Wars. Actually, Junkyard Wars. I changed stuff, but that's pretty much decommissioned. I think. Yeah. Legion. I don't think I saw any nuke changes. That's AI. Preloaded nukes, the same. Titan Gantry. So I guess the other thing I would do... It'll pretty much have to be server. So touch that. Biome, boom, Titan Gantry. I don't think the commander got touched. Hodgepodge we're working on. Weapons tracking touched a bunch of weapons. I think. All vanilla ammo to the spatial database. So yeah, it would specifically be ammo. To a weapon. Weapon. Yeah, I don't think it touched the ammo. That was a very experimental toy thing. So while that was touched, I don't know that anyone cares. Oh. That was very... That's more of a meme than anything. I don't know if I care about that either. Preloaded nukes. Ooh. Yeah, these are some of the ones that might run into trouble. And I don't know if I have these local. Yeah, definitely don't have them here. Server mods. Extreme energy combat. Yeah, this is not the repository that says what we changed. Ooh, yeah, a lot of tool weapons. Drone tool weapon. We're gonna have to narrow down specific things, though. So units, factories. Okay, I didn't touch the air factory. Nick, that may have been a different mod to see the tool. Air transport. Land. Assault bot advanced. Tool weapon. Okay, this one shouldn't touch factories. I don't... Most cases it doesn't touch actual units. Bot... Sniper... Yep, tool weapon. Bot tactical missile. Bot tactical missile tool weapon. Alright, so that one's updated. So, yeah, this model needs to be touched. So this would be one where we would get server mod dev. Server mod dev. Da 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 da. Extreme. Combat. Alright, so CD Extreme Energy Combat. Now, this should have, yeah. Grunt file. And then, does this have the updated specs? No, it's path. That doesn't feel big enough. Do I have any others? You might been you were a recent one. Yes. So this needs to be updated. To get all the little Windows paths. And I think that's a drop-in. Alright, server mods. I think I have the path here, and I have mod info. So we have to remember to do all our hacks. Grunt file, and then hack things back when we're done. So I think all we have to do is run this and it'll get all the updates. But what is our grunt? So default is proc, copy mod. Grunt. All right. So, okay, I can sort of see it touching. Huh. Yeah, that updated. Oh, I may have missed an update here. There's only one branch in this, right? Yeah. Yeah, I must have missed an update. This does include... Yeah, there's the range change. Bot sniper, bot... so we should probably do some kind of smoke test on that. That was server mod dev. That should have been copied over to server... No. Server mods. .local. Installed, reload file system. Oh, we actually... Yeah, I guess I must have that file in there. Okay. I know installed may have included the remote one as well.
Select starting location.
All right, and so what this does is it makes, ooh, I don't have eco bars. That's annoying. But I think the game kind of treats that as you only have one set of economy, so you don't need to be able to jump between them. Settings. Gameplay. Alright, so there's an eco bar. So if I get a couple of units and he has a couple of units and then we go fight, we should see a big energy tank. Yeah. And now we can go down and see the ammo bars refilling. There we go. Okay. Seems to have passed the smoke test. Active server. Because now we need to go into here. We need to undo all our hacks. Mod info. Undo our hacks. And I'm pretty sure that neither of those are... AI effects editor. Probably gameplay. Doesn't change the unit roster. And this is basically oh, I need to do mod info build 11/21/76. Change log update. Unit stats to 11/21/76. And we picked up a whole bunch of changes from previous update that was more than just the recent one. And I mean, we also updated PA path lookup with wider system ability. And NPM did something to package. That's its business. Untracked files, package lock, yeah, whatever. I mean, that wouldn't be entirely bad. But if anything, I want to lock it over there. Update unit stats to and we'll have to push this over to the laptop for publishing later. Actually, all right, one down. Next up would be probably extremely efficient engineers. Server mods real. Also, that went into server mods. And it's still local, so. Oh, I didn't build. Okay, so that affected the spawn. And I guess we should get the built one back to reals for the next time we look at it. Okay, so we didn't actually mess anything up too bad there. Alright, so extremely efficient engineers. Did Commander build arm? Let's see, build arm. 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 Actually, can I get perchance, a full file list? Oh, this is not a Git repository, though. Actually, this will be easier to check on the other side. Well, hover ship tool weapon, the factories themselves. So this one looks like it might not have been touched. Because it's all builders, and they changed the factory cost, but not any of the factory rates. Okay, so that's probably fine. Finite metal. Touch the mining platform, which I didn't see touched. And metal extractor, which I don't think was affected. Biome. That's the commander, probably. It's, yeah, base commander itself, which I don't believe I saw touched. Nukes, we didn't really see. I don't think reclaimable features touched any units. Titan Gantry is its own thing. Xenophobia. Ooh, that touched the factories. Although, does that matter? It's... I guess that never got published. Okay. No metal commander. Base commander again. Oh, wreckage. Base flyer, Titan Air. base Titans. Base ship. Yeah, that I didn't see any of those touched. Oh, actually, what we were doing at one point was we're looking specifically for server that may have shadowed things. Finite metal, minimal max, low energy commander we looked at, no metal commander, wreckage. Okay. So I think that was everything that we need to be concerned about. Oh, well, one other thing. I've not really looked at the UI files. So AI, units, neural net, shaders, and a lot with. This is some location stuff, localization. I didn't do much with the, armory. This might actually be rolling back some of the temporary changes anyway. So that's all armory. Community mods, localization. Server browser. This might also be rolling back some changes. Server browser. I never did a whole lot with the server browser, I don't think. Settings.css. Oh, yeah, this was undoing the account import stuff. This is probably also in undoing account import stuff. Start. Localization and all of the account switchover stuff. Yeah, create PlayFab account. And there could be something hiding in there. I might have to wait for the break report on that one. That was a lot of changes. This looks like more localization. Net is probably the rollback of the PlayFab stuff again. Shared settings. PlayFab stuff. Yeah, it looks like most of the UI changes are rolling back that messed up PlayFab conversion. Alright, well. That's close enough to lunch to call it a stream, I think. And hopefully I can take that time to actually try publishing some things. So, thanks for hanging out. Oh, that's what hit. I think. No, I didn't. I don't know what hit. Okay. Thanks to One Jellybean, Catnox, to Left for to Cry, Gamer Siren, Ruffalo's, Crow Katsuni, Starmy Ice Leopard, Asarat Gaming, Structurally Phased, Dog and Like, and Instant Speed Live for hosting me. What do we have? Lots of people playing RimWorld. Do we have any other coding going on? That looks like it's probably going to wrap up momentarily. All right, well, yeah, let's get starting. So if you're looking for someplace cool to hang out, Jimmy Pine Live is working on some stuff. Thanks for hanging out with me. And until next time.